We're just gonna start by mixing all of our spices together. I'm gonna add some olive oil to our drumsticks, a teaspoon of salt, and some black pepper. Now we'll add our spice mixture to the drumsticks. We're just gonna mix this all up together. Keep mixing our chicken in with the spices. I'm just gonna start by pouring our potato.
Nice and thin.
Now I'm just gonna add a strip of bacon. I'm just gonna wrap it around. Just gonna keep wrapping that around.
That's just the best looking potato I've ever seen in my life.
We're going to start by wrapping our potato around it. And I'm just gonna slide it in like that. I'm gonna put these in the oven for 40 minutes at 400 degrees. Wow, those look perfect. Our chicken just came out of the oven and they are cooked to perfection.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh.
Wow.
Breakfast sliders, that's ham, eggs, American cheese, flip it, fold the edges in, that's Dano's new Primo, flip again to toast the back, slice those tasty sliders up and bam, money.